Ambiguous case for a triangle is when you know angle, side, and side. So be careful, the angle is not an angle in between the two sides. So you would have this kind of situation. First of all, you know the angle, so we can actually draw something like this, and you draw this one longer, and then this one is just one of the sides given. See, let's label this way. So for example, this is the angle A, so we know, okay, we know this angle, and this we can label as the point B because we know the side AB, or we can call it C, right? Because the other point of the triangle would be C, so this one we also know. So, and then another side we also know is actually the BC, but we don't know how much, and depends the BC, how much the BC is. Actually, we have a lot of different cases. For example, if we have a BC just that much long, and then you try to construct a triangle, you can tell it's impossible because it cannot touch the border line, right? So that's one case, right? That's one case. So I just leave it like this and then label it as uh, C1. Let's put C0 means, okay, it's not really a triangle. The ABC0 is not a triangle because the BC, the side is too short. And then let's try see how long that will allow us to construct a triangle. Now if you imagine, if you swing this side and you make it longer and longer, you can see it should at least be that much long, and in that case it's actually perpendicular to the bottom line, and in that, then this is the side, and we can construct one triangle. Let's call it C1, and the C1 is actually perpendicular to the bottom line, so that the triangle ABC is a right triangle, and you can calculate how much the H is. So the H is actually H over the C. Hypotenuse should equal sine angle A. So therefore the H, it should be C sine A. Okay, so that means this side of BC should at least be that much, so that you can form a triangle. In this case, it's a right triangle. Okay, now what if we increase the BC? Okay, now it's that long, and can we form a triangle? Sure, we can do this way and this way. Okay, so basically we can form one triangle like this, another triangle like this. Okay, so in this case we label it as C2 and a C2 prime. So we have two triangles in this case. That means when the BC is longer than H, but it's smaller than the AB, right? And what if we have the side is exactly same as AB? We can still form a triangle right here, but you can't form two triangles, right? So as long as the side is equal and greater than this side, than the AB, so you can only form one triangle. For example, like this, right? So you can't form another triangle, right? So this would be the case. This would be the C3. Let's label the C3. So actually the four cases is 0, 1, 2, and 3. So that's why it's called ambiguous case. To sum up, if you're given the angle, side, and side, it depends on this side, how big this side is, and you can actually you may not end up getting a triangle being constructed, or you can construct a right triangle, or you can construct two two triangle, one with acute angle and one with obtuse angle, and you could get one triangle only with this side is longer than this side.